y'all with these videos. I'm trying to make sure my girls is slayed, okay? So let me get y'all right. Y'all trust me? I'm gonna get y'all right. I'm gonna get y'all right, but you have to stay for the whole video. All right, so the hair that I'm bringing to you guys is definitely affordable, less maintenance, and it's easy to install. Working with Vshow today. Now, this is not my first time dealing with this company. I've definitely used the hair before in the past, twice actually, and I think I had the straight and I had the kinky curly, but this time I wanted to try the loose deep. So this is the box that it comes in. All right, this time I'm gonna do something for my ladies. I don't want to do too much to the lace, and I just want to work with something that's simple but still beautiful, luscious, and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the hair. This time it comes in a plastic bag, 180% density. It's also, if I didn't mention, it's a 26 inch. The hair came in within 3 days. I received the hair via DHL, so we know how fast DHL works. You just can't lose with DHL. You just can't lose. So let's go ahead and open up the hair. All right, so this is the 4x4. So as you can see, it's literally just 4 inches across and 4 inches back parking space. Let's look up close at the lace. So the lace is on the white side, so you definitely have to do some type of coloring with this lace if it doesn't match your complexion. I know I'm gonna have to use a lace tint spray, but the hair does come, it comes pre-plucked, but you definitely want to pluck it a little bit more. And luckily you don't have to do much because, like I said, it's a 4x4. It doesn't take too much maintenance. So I'm going to show you guys how I pluck the hair, and we will go ahead and install it. The product that I'll be using to go ahead and bleach the knots is a 40 Developer Cream. Keep in mind, if you're using 40 Developer, it does bleach faster. So if you want to have more bleach time and you want it to sit more, then you might want to go down to a 30 Developer. Of course, I'm using my BW2 powder. So that's all you really need to bleach the knots. Once you're done bleaching your knots, next you want to pluck the hairline. Since it is a little thick in the front of the hairline, I'm going to go ahead and make a zigzag motion to part the front off. And then I'm going to pluck in a motion going front to back. Finish, apply your wax stick to flatten out the hair. This way you can hot comb. This is gonna make it easy to apply the wig to your head. This way there's no flyaways, everything is flat, and you can see how the hairline looks when you place it on your head. So I definitely highly recommend to flat comb the front of your wig, whether it's a 4x4, 13x6. You always want to do that when you know, preparing your wig. So do not use kitty scissors like I did. Please use some adult scissors, y'all. But I'm now cutting my lace off. I usually don't cut it before I put it on my head when dealing with a full lace wig or a 13x6. But since I'm working with the 4x4, it's more easy to install once you put it on your head. Literally, you're just gluing it down. So I just cut the front of the lace where the hairline starts, maybe like an inch away from where the hairline starts. Let's just position it. You can actually wear this wig as a glueless. Just want to comb everything to the back. Well, the front. Comb this part to the back. This way we can melt it. So that's the thing I hate about this spray, is the fact that you simply cannot spray it evenly because the nozzle is just so out of place everywhere. Like, so after removing the elastic band, I'm gonna just cut the baby hairs. This way I can lay it down. Now I'm just freestyling at this point. I'm just taking it wherever my toothbrush takes me. So if you guys just want to watch and see the motions, how I, you know, swirl it, I use my fingers. Using your fingers is very important when you're doing your baby hairs because it will guide you. It will help guide you on which direction you want to move your baby hairs. So if you want to see how I do that, then continue watching. This is the final look. So I did go ahead and wet the hair because I'm just not a fan of the poofy look. So I decided to go ahead and wet it. And plus I wanted to see how the hair looked wet anyway. So just so you guys can see up close, this is how long the hair is. You can really see the true length once you wet it. So what I've noticed with this wig during the process of bleaching, it did bleach pretty fast. So that is a A+. I love that about the hair. It did bleach pretty fast. As for shedding, there was a quite bit of shedding, but it wasn't too much. It's enough to deal with, so it's not to the point where it's shedding like dog hair. I will of course be following up with a updated hair review once I wear it in for at least a week or two. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see a specific brand of hair you would like me to do a review on, just let me know in the comments below. And once again, my name is Bianca Naka and I'm tuning out.